Hello friends, welcome to a new video. So we have two new words today, the first being deride and the second dissonance. So the first word deride is defined as to laugh at someone or to make fun of someone or something. It can mean to insult someone or to taunt. An example of deride is pointing and laughing about someone with toilet paper maybe on their shoes. Or you can say, when I am a parent, I will not deride my children and make them feel worthless. The second word is dissonance. Dissonance means a lack of harmony or disagreement, or you can say conflict amongst people in their opinions or actions. For example, a crying baby or a person screaming and alarming or an alarm going off are all common examples of dissonance. There is a great deal of dissonance between what a liar says and does is also another example. Thank you friends for coming back and watching another video. Make sure to like and subscribe our video and come back tomorrow for new words. Bye.